Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18G799A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You do have a soft cover on top. That's going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.